Why I no go do am? Na my partner, na wetin I pay for.
As far as she did long distance, I go work out with the 30M, now the 3M with that.
I will release the 30 million because there is love. Bible said love one another as you love yourself. So far as you love the woman, that's what make you to marry the woman. The Bible have already described it because there is a law. When two come together, they have become one. You need to love the person and pay the money and let the partner to come out from the prison. That's showing love.
Even if they go collect the whole 30M, make my partner come out for the jail. Wetin make me? Why I go do am now? I no fit stop to do am now. Not sure now.
Yes, so now welcome back. Now BOBOS and on top Wazobia TV. And now I go for street when I just watch finish. So if you just say join us, matter what they talk about today, then say if then dash you 30 million naira and your partner commit crime, we go carry and go jail. But the bailout now 29 million from that 30 million. Wait then dash you. Waiting you go do. Men don't talk plenty. Almost all these guys them say they go pay.
Those are real men. Those are my men.
The last one say
those are my men.
So I don't go real man. See, let me tell you, even if you go give the way Nigeria did now, 29 million is enough for you to buy real love.
Kete.
Because most relationships...
Money can't buy real love. I stand to correct you.
What is this for the talk?
Money can't buy real love, bros.
You know how many marriages for this country where be saying that money buy.
Oh boy,
and at the end of the day, you don't get choice that to love that man.
I tell you, that girl get one smally where she love,
for example,
where she go crack.
You come on there. See, let me tell you.
Seriously, she go to live with that rich man got money, but she get that boy where she love to go meet.
You must see. You go faithful. Let me tell you.
I don't see some marriages where
many days you
at
go
the end of the
faithful.
day.
You go faithful. Let me tell you. You know say no love
once
for
there
the
is no
beginning.
real love, there is no real love.
Let me tell you.
Once there is no real love, there is no real
The
love.
girl wey marry the governor, one of these governors.
That yellow girl. We marry that governor.
I dey come wait. You want me say that man and be her respect for when they say as she dey. Make men come outside. Make this girl choose man. Wey be her respect. You want to go choose him? Oh yeah, watch. I want carry you come this part where you talk about say you go the crack outside. Now I want me say now that girl now for that kind state house where she did go the crank one boy for where. Oh boy. With which fear?
Impossible.
Wait.
The love, she don't follow that. She must faithful.
Shakara impossible.
You get where you go love.
I understand you, but that's why they talk. Say because he did status. Who tell you know the travel?
You go faithful.
You know they come out.
You must faithful.
You know they go
air hostess. Once air hostess, you know the way.
Oh,
see, you must faithful. See, tell you, you get where you enter.
Money cannot buy real love. Take it from me.
The truth of the matter, I say Shakara. Let's face
okay, those marriages where people marry because of money, where they don't born how many children, where they bond well. What it?
Yes, the thing I say, agreed. The thing I say, see, let's face fact. If you are married, at first, if you marry for money and you don't live with this person for a very long time, there's every possibility say you go grow up to love this person because now this same person they crank you. Now this same person they give you belly. Now this same person they see 24/7. So at the verge they take care of
and they make you happy. And happiness is love.
Your stand be
but
say
we get
money
some.
You go to buy the real love.
Yes,
of course.
You can buy the real love.
Yes,
you can't force a girl to marry you because of your money.
It's not forcing.
You know say this thing are two way.
As far as I never married that girl, we commit that crime. I get 29 million. With that 29 million, I can get to real love. That's what I'm telling you.
Okay, tell me how you can get real love with 29 million.
29 million, you date this girl now. Okay, you propose to her with a car. Her attitude towards you will change. You understand? Before maybe she wait, respect everything, go enter, she go want cook for you well. Then inside 29 million, you even build house for maybe 2 of them somewhere. She dey comfortable. She's okay. You understand? You set her up. You understand? That respect. You know, say love comes with respect.
True.
You go there. You understand? From there. Many true love where money no dey to back up, we don't crash.
Now assumption you talk. Now
no, I don't see
real life story.
Lucky.
Of this your assumption. I'm coming. I'm coming. The guy rich. Ugo.
Okay.
He buy car for the girl. He rent good apartment for the girl. He marry the girl. But the time the girl dey school, he get the boy where she dey friend. I tell you say this girl, as he marry this rich man buy car give her. rent good apartment give her. This girl still dey ring this boy to the crash. You understand crash? I mean cranky things. And they tell you say no, the guy go just dey there for comfort, but that real love wey she no get for that man, that boy still dey collect her steady. This I tell you now, true life story. I no wan mention names.
See, number one.
True life story. So no.
Number one, you cannot.
They fit go there for money, but person she love now her house gonna go meet.
You cannot even know who get real love for you. E get girls wey be say they don set their own goal. Say if
that
not
kind
be,
of man.
if not
who
be
they
who,
want.
if not be who they stay one particular area and they drive, they no go marry. Those ones, if they marry such people, if they come one day call run into person where they drive that kind of car, where they stay for Lekki or Ikoyi or VGC, that kind of person, that person marry for money or marry for real love.
That person already get wetin she wants. Her spec, she list her spec out. Say na person dey say VGC wey get car. She don't look forward to wetin she
But
wants.
meanwhile, other guys, fresh graduates, they can't approach her.
Who go?
They can't approach her this while.
We are coming
you
back
understand?
to Chakara.
They
You
can't
can't
approach.
say with your 29 million.
You can get real love. Yes. Let me tell you.
I'm tell you say not all real love you can buy with
If
29 million.
you show woman love, if you show woman love with money, she don't get you, she go love you.
But
wait, tell you,
your money
she will love you.
But there's something why I need to make una understand.
If she get who she love before, your money she go carry you because your money, but she dey go love that person.
If she don't get who you love before, or she can't love you past that person, or she can't love you past that person.
That's
I
a
want
different
one
thing. But you
question. I
cannot
want
use
one
29
question.
million.
Shey una know say happiness na something wey dey very key when it comes to love.
Yes.
Positive.
And do you think that if you buy that love, you cannot buy the young woman's happiness? Do you think you can buy
Wait till they bring happiness.
Now,
Wait till they bring happiness where money no fit bring. Wait till they bring happiness for this life.
okay, make I ask you one question. And shey you know say comfort.
she won't travel to Paris. She won't travel to Paris. Go there. You sponsor her go. Is she going to Paris and come and then she come back? Come the sad. Which kind of man want marry? And just money, no love. What is love? What are you telling me?
What if you give that girl all the money and you don't give her what we call steady attention?
Yes.
Steady attention.
And rich men no dey get chance for wife.
My brother, leave that in.
Women,
get rich men wey be say their wife na their 30.
Yes.
Many rich men and then they're more romantic. Watch, let me tell you, na even poor man sef na even dey romantic. How many poor man dey go open door for
so now by open door be romantic.
So I dey come. I dey give you example. I dey give you example. Rich men, most guys wey big, you go see them like this. They go carry their baby one like this. Open door for their wife. You go see as they go. What? Even for churches, you go see them. When they come to church, you know say, man, this man loves this woman.
Let's face fact. Do you think you feel say it no make sense? Say even though na girlfriend you get and you love this girl well, make you fit bail am out with 29 million out of 30 million wey you get to take solve issues wey you get.
Yeah.
You feel say it no make sense.
Wait, I come back to him point. He saying go use 29 million and buy real love.
Yeah.
That your girl where they go prison, no be your real love.
If na my come, wait, because that money is going. You understand? If she comes back and then the thing no lead to marriage, that be my fear.
How you tell sure say the one we work at that 29 million go cash now. You go still.
But Shakara, you know say this thing will become love like business.
You no go give her for hand and say you dey
spend.
You go just.
You invest.
Either you buy car, you buy car, you put her for house. I never marry her.
You will not spend the 29 million in relationship. When you want start, you start at least 2 million or something.
Now money not expensive.
Then yes, you must spend money. You understand? You must spend money.
You never can tell that your girl wey wan let go prison. That the person wey you need. Don't miss her. No use your girl, your wife do girlfriend. Come go his girlfriend do wife.
Thank you very much. Because I feel say women are the same.
See, let me tell you.
The one way you see today, it go still be the same one way you go see tomorrow.
My brother, if to say everybody is supposed to marry who they date, many of us for not even meet. If maybe some people who don't marry, they for not even meet their wife, they for not meet their husband because the woman for them marry her first boyfriend.
We agree.
And the man for them marry his first girlfriend.
We agree.
So it's not compulsory say this person where they date. If you leave at night, you don't do girlfriend. You won't go. You don't miss your wife.
Okay.
No.
And this person where you dey live, to go find this other person. And this other person where you can't find.
That's the circle of life.
29 million.
It's
you don't cost him marry am.
For relationship,
where you dey go?
For relationship, you never can tell anything is possible.
That's why you do the one
you understand?
Do
if
the one
you want to do the
see.
one where you see, then be say many people don't marry their first crush.
Many marry.
Their first love. How many people marry their first relationship?
Some people marry their first
Abraham marry Sarah.
You would talk of they carry that because you know why you go start from Bible? Because you know say you don't fit start for Nigeria because for Nigeria no say no fit start.
I won't start from
Because how many virgins we get? How many virgins we get? How many people we marry as virgins? How many people? Even some of our parents will even tell us, say, you know, you should sit up and marry your mother as a virgin. As they enter room, you call it say, I just usually do example. And you say an example, I just usually do.
Now good example. Now good example.
Make the children for
okay,
do
now,
well.
Let me look am like this. There's this point. I believe say that love go make you fit pour a sum of 29 million on top woman head or something. But now, I just want to let you know, say we get guys, we say during dating, or let me put
how
it this
sure
way.
are you? Let me say, how sure are you?
Agreed.
That girl
but one
will be
thing,
your wife.
I thought one thing before. Say, relationship
That's
and
the
love
point.
basically is as if you are doing a business. You are investing.
Yes.
It's either you gain or you lose.
This is my point. If
That
you want
is
to
how
invest, invest in your final answer. And the final answer, where you don't say your final answer, now from the girl, you understand? Only you know if you just conclude. You just see girl when you like now. You say, man, now this girl, I go marry, I will spend anything. But the conviction, you have to get that conviction from her.
Of course.
You understand?
Yes.
Now she go on do things or say things or even her way of life will tell you, say, man, if not be me for this life, this girl, you should be able to beat your hand to your chest. Now, say, apart from me, this girl, no man go meet her where she go look.
Give us your own from a married man perspective, basically.
Brotherly, thank you.
A married guy.
From a married man perspective.
Yes,
a married guy.
Wait, I want to enter before you just
a married guy.
You know, I will sample the hand they talk now, so that I can see the ring.
Talk.
As a married guy, I'll tell you the truth. If woman love you, she go love you for who you are. My wife, you don't see my wife now, yes, she's beautiful. If I tell you how many men disturb her, which I tell you so, generous them for army, because where she serve for Kwara, na Barak, where she NYC. People will disturb her, people will get rank upon rank.
Where you suppose, those na sugar daddy them now.
Senior people.
Sugar daddy them now.
No, young ones dey. I dey come, no interrupt me.
No man young man, we want marry.
Interrupt me, man, finish my talk now. Then after that one, for area, people they disturb her confirm, then they. But she just say her heart just they come for me. She know very well say for Rabba, I not reach those people as at present, but she know say my future me go gather Rabba.
Yes.
But she can't look say I be kind of person where she go stay. Whether he hot or he cold, she go get peace. You understand? So now she take there with me. So not be by that money. So if you use that money, pay that girl. Before that girl won't go that prison, who she be to you? As you first talk, say you look attitude. No, I'm not talking the position. I'm not talking the position. I'm talking of who she is to you. She be that person they win your heart. She dey give you joy all that time 1 or 2 days. Then this kind of person, anyone goes jail. Brotherly, you need to commit yourself to make sure say she no go that jail because she's leaving you to go that jail. Now one part of you, now they go jail so.
No, it cannot be part of me yet until we are married. It's not part of me yet.
Time no really
one part
be my
of
friend.
me is not going to jail until I'm married.
Give me your last take on this.
That is my last take. When any part of me is not going to jail because we are not married yet. I don't know, and you can hate me for my opinion, and it's my opinion. If we are not married, there's a level of sacrifice, you understand, that I can go. Well,
lucky for you, it makes sense, right?
Yes, so it makes sense. Say, commit yourself to the person who commit herself to you. Money now like bird where they fly. Why fly go fly come. Okay, but if that very love you miss them, you feel fine and tired, not see them. But God helping you if you see you. But for you to not come they play hanky panky, mumbo jumbo, loss and no gain am. Put that 29 million. Bring the girl come out. Who knows that she come out and 50 million won't come out?
Yes, now so go say even today. I know so I don't let plenty on top this topic today. And thank you very much, Lucky. Say you come follow us, young for this part today. Until tomorrow, we'll leave you.
Say we call it support.
una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.
As we dey carry